Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vite and start a React TypeScript app step by step clearly. To install Vite and start a React TypeScript app, begin by opening your terminal. Ensure that you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once Node.js is installed, you can check the installation by typing node v in the terminal. This will display the current version of Node.js you have installed. Next, in the terminal, use the following command to create a new Vite project. Type npm create Vite at latest and press enter. You will be prompted to enter a project name. Choose a name for your React TypeScript app and type it in. After entering the project name, you will be asked to select a framework. Use the arrow keys to navigate and select React. Then, you will be asked to choose a variant for your project. Select TypeScript to configure your project for TypeScript support. Once you've made your selections, navigate to the project directory with the command cd your project name. Replace your project name with the name you chose earlier. To install all the necessary dependencies, run the command npm install. This process may take a few moments as it downloads and installs the required packages. Now that your dependencies are installed, start the development server by typing npm run dev. You will see output indicating that your app is running, along with a local URL. Open your web browser and navigate to the provided local URL. You should see the default Vite and React welcome page. To begin editing your application, open the project in your preferred code editor. You can find the main files in the src directory. Modify app.tsx to change the content of your app. Save your changes and look back at your web browser. You should see the updates reflected in real time. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Vite and created a React TypeScript app. Now you are ready to start building your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.